Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am recording this as an introductory video to this channel and my future hopes for this channel. I still don't know what set forth path I'm going to take for said channel, but I am hoping it has something to do with financing, helping you guys out, find your path in terms of becoming financially independent, as well as myself learning along the way. I have been listening to podcasts, reading blogs, and trying to fulfill my entrepreneurial itch for years. I want to say since my college heydays. So at least a good 6 years since I've been stuck on analysis paralysis, and I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. And I have plenty of excuses that I can make because I had no time, college, 2 jobs, social life non-existent or trying to make it existent, etc. Plenty of excuses I can make as far as why I haven't made any strides. But the truth of the matter is unfortunately I just wasn't committed. And that's the hard truth. So I'm hoping by sending this video and making this channel going forward, this is a commitment to myself and a commitment to you guys that I will start heading straight towards that path of becoming financially independent and hopefully retiring early. I have made many attempts of learning. I made a few attempts of actually trying some entrepreneurial business. First off would be Amazon FBA. I ended up sourcing product from China. Didn't work out. Again, excuses about time. I can get more into the story later, but I just wasn't as committed, and unfortunately it ended up flopping. That was a good few grand worth down the drain, but I did learn a lot from it. I've also been researching different types of like side businesses from podcasts, and just looked into it, dabbled here and there, maybe bought some courses to try and learn more about them, such as 3D scanning for houses, water pressure cleaning houses. I like do-it-yourself stuff. Like right now, we just recently bought a house and my yard is a complete mess. Trying to learn how to do that. I've been getting into videos for gardening, not a lot because I'm not really that into it, but enough to where I'm learning and trying to refix the yard. And that might be one of my downfalls, is trying to do everything and learning and getting stuck on analyzing rather than doing. And lately, just taking action and making those mistakes has honestly been the best learning experience that I have gotten. Unless you take action, nothing's gonna change. And that is what I'm hoping for with this channel, is I'm taking the action now to commit that we as a whole will become financially independent, and hopefully we can help each other along the way, whether you want to do Amazon FBA, whether you want to start your own 3D scanning. I've also tried programming, web design, game design, very basics of learning programming. Very hard, but definitely seems fun if I was willing to commit to it. Something that I'm currently focused on is learning about real estate. I did buy earlier in the year, in like January or February, I did buy courses to become a real estate agent. Guess how far I've gone into that course? That's right, chapter 1. I haven't done much for it. Every time I try to go on, it's a snooze fest. It's it's my only time that I can relax. Let me go watch something on Netflix. Let me go watch something on YouTube. Let alone YouTube podcasts are informational, but again, it's information that I've been listening to for years. since my college days. Is about like 6 years ago since I've been listening to podcasts about trying to become financially independent, and I've gotten nowhere. So now I'm in the hole of trying to decide whether I really want to go the real estate agent path, or just focus on investing. I'm more hoping to do investing more than anything. But the real estate is more for getting that extra income, to be able to invest in real estate and also to learn. That's currently where I'm at right now. A lot of my time is spent at work. A lot of my time is also spent in, well, I like to say trying to fix up the house, but a lot of it is learning on how to fix up the house, because I truly do not know how to do any of this. Every day is something new. And again, it's a commitment thing that I need to go forward and take actions. And maybe I can take you on my journey and trying to how to fix up the house as well. Maybe I'll have some pictures up here for you guys so you guys can see how the yard is and what it is that we've done, and the complications that happen for not fully researching a certain task that you might see. But glad to have you guys here on this channel, and hopefully going forward we can learn together, we can take action together, and hopefully one day we can all become friends that are financially independent and striving together. I know it sounds kind of corny, but every person I listen to always has those groups where they create groups of 20, 40, 20 people, 10 people, in order for them to help each other grow. And that's basically what I want to do with this channel, is make a community of regular Joes starting fresh, or you might have already started, and just trying to survive and get ahead in life and not being stuck doing a 9 to 5. In my case, it's actually a 4 to 4 or 4 to 3, depending on the day. So definitely would like to be able to get ourselves out of the rat race, in layman's terms. So hope to see you all again next week. I am committing to I am committing to put out a video every other week. I will try to bring a video out more frequently, but I am committing to do one every other week. So I hope to see you guys then. Thank you and take care.